How to find manage activity on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find manage activity on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome, and here this is a new tab. All you need to do, for example, is click on the setting icon, which is discover. Click on it and you're gonna find the first option, which is manage activity. Wait a second, and this is your activity. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.